Elon Musk, a name synonymous with innovation, has not just shaken the automotive and space industries, but also the cryptocurrency market. This tech titan's influence on the crypto sphere is nothing short of extraordinary. Just a single tweet or public statement from Musk can cause dramatic fluctuations in the value of various cryptocurrencies. Remember the time he called Bitcoin brilliant? The digital currency's value skyrocketed, and who could forget when he shared his skepticism about its energy use? Bitcoin saw a significant drop. Musk's affinity for Dogecoin, the meme-inspired cryptocurrency, also caused a frenzy in the market, pushing its price to an all-time high. His influence is so profound, it's been dubbed the Musk effect on crypto. With such influence in the market, what exactly are Musk's plans for cryptocurrency? Stay with us to find out. Musk's fascination with cryptocurrency isn't new. His journey started with Bitcoin. The king of cryptos first caught Musk's attention due to its potential to redefine transactional freedom and security. He saw in Bitcoin a tool that could empower individuals, a novel form of currency that wasn't subject to traditional governmental control. In fact, Musk's endorsement of Bitcoin wasn't just in words. He put his money where his mouth was, quite literally. His electric vehicle company, Tesla, invested a whopping $1.5 billion into Bitcoin in early 2021. This move sent shockwaves throughout the financial world, solidifying Bitcoin's status in mainstream finance. It was a bold step, one that underscored Musk's faith in the potential of cryptocurrencies. But Musk's crypto journey didn't end with Bitcoin. There was more to come. His fascination with digital currencies was just beginning to unfold, and the world was about to witness a series of events that would shake up the crypto space like never before. Then came Dogecoin, the meme coin that Musk took under his wing. This quirky, canine-themed digital currency, originally created as a joke, found itself in the limelight when Elon Musk began tweeting about it. Each tweet sent the value of Dogecoin soaring, sometimes even doubling it overnight. Musk, ever the maverick, didn't stop at mere endorsements. He voiced plans to make Dogecoin the people's crypto, a digital currency that was not just for the tech-savvy, but for everyone. He also had ideas about improving Dogecoin's system transaction efficiency, making it faster and more reliable than ever before. This would make Dogecoin a viable option for daily transactions, bringing his vision of a people's crypto one step closer to reality. While Dogecoin was gaining traction, Musk had another crypto move up his sleeve. Tesla's breakup with Bitcoin shook the crypto market. Yes, you heard it right. The company that once championed Bitcoin as a method of payment decided to reverse course. For those of you who might not be in the loop, Tesla, under Elon Musk's direction, stopped accepting Bitcoin due to concerns about its environmental impact. A decision that certainly wasn't taken lightly. It triggered a flurry of reactions from the crypto world. Bitcoin, the digital gold, took a hit. Its value tumbled, sending ripples across the broader cryptocurrency market. In fact, this move by Tesla sparked a broader discussion about the environmental cost of crypto mining. But don't think for a second that this meant Elon Musk was stepping away from the crypto realm. Oh no, Musk, the ever unpredictable, was just getting started. He had grander plans for his crypto journey. Though the Tesla-Bitcoin relationship hit a rough patch, Musk still had plans for crypto. Musk's future in the crypto world is as exciting as it is unpredictable. This tech titan has been known to shake things up, and the world of cryptocurrency is no exception. There's been talk of Musk potentially developing his own cryptocurrency, adding yet another layer to the enigmatic relationship he shares with this digital frontier. Although details remain hazy, Musk's interest in integrating cryptocurrency into SpaceX's projects is clear. Imagine a future where space travel and digital currency are interwoven. The possibilities are as vast as the cosmos itself. Musk has also recently hinted at reconsidering Bitcoin, but with a caveat. He has expressed that he would be more open to it if the cryptocurrency can become more environment-friendly. This shows his commitment to a sustainable future, even when it comes to digital assets. As we've seen, Musk's journey in the crypto world is far from over. So, what does Musk's crypto journey tell us? It's a tale of influence and innovation. His actions have shown us that a single tweet can cause ripples across the crypto market. From his early crypto endeavors, Musk has been a driving force, pushing boundaries and sparking interest. His relationship with Bitcoin is a roller coaster ride, marked by Tesla's adoption and subsequent breakup. It's a testament to his influence, but also a reminder of the volatility inherent in the crypto world. Then there's the Dogecoin Saga. Musk's endorsement transformed this joke currency into a serious player, demonstrating his power to shape the market. And what of the future? Musk's plans remain largely shrouded in mystery, but one thing is sure: his influence in the cryptosphere is not waning. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or just an observer, one thing is clear: Elon Musk is a name to watch in the cryptocurrency world. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. Until next time, keep your eyes on the cryptosphere.